It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a bit of a collaboration with a few other smaller YouTubers as well. So we're doing a wrong hand, which for me is my left hand makeup tutorial, which should be interesting. So the YouTubers that I'm doing it in collaboration with are Finn Alice, Sharniza, Kelsey Beauty, Jasmine Louise, Aimee Vaughan and the highlight meme. So I will link all their channels in the description box below so you can go and check their version of this video out as well. And without further ado, we'll get on to it. Right, okay. So I'm going to have to really think about this because automatically I'm going to go to this hand. So I have to make sure left hand. Right. So first of all, I'm going to go in with primer. I'm using the AOA from Shop Miss A Wonder Skin Illuminating Primer. Surely I can squeeze it with my right hand, can't I? Oh no, that's... Right. I'm going to do it on my face. Right. Then I'm just going to rub that in with my hand. Bit too much on there. I look like a blooming tin man. I'm just going to pat some in to try and get rid of some really more than anything.
Everything I believed in.
That's not that bad. Right. Okay. So then foundation. So I'm going in with the NYX Born to Glow in the shade Buff. Okay. Just gonna dot that around my face. And I'm gonna blend that in. Okay. God, that takes ages. You're like patting it in and you can feel yourself kind of going like that rather than just patting it because your hand just, yeah, doesn't want to do what you want it to do. Right. Concealer. So I'm going in with Mayelline Instant Age Eraser. I haven't used this since I was about 18 and I have to say I've started using it again and I forgot how good it was. So yeah, I'll be going in with this in the shade Sand. Right. Like that. And then blend that in. Okay, right, powder. So I'm going in with the KVD Vegan Beauty translucent setting powder. Clearly far too much of it because I'm inhaling most of that. Look, that's how much I'm concentrating. My nail has gone into the sponge because I'm gripping it so hard. Okay. So next I'm going to contour. I'm just going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. My hands are so sweaty I can't open things. So I'm just going in with this brush. Yeah. That's not awful, is it? Doesn't look like it in my mirror. Oh, this is the side that's going to be difficult. Right.
Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind.
Okay. Then I'm going to bronze. So I'm using the Revolution Reloaded Long Weekend bronzer. Oh, Jesus. Look at that side. So this side's not going too badly, that side's going flipping awful because of course I'm doing it with my left hand and I feel like I'm digging into my face when I do that side. Right, okay, so blush. I'm using AOA Perfect Blush in the shade Darling. Let's do this side first. Right, okay. Oh, this is hard work. Having to use my brain as well. I just don't use my brain. I'm just gonna dust off any excess powder. Right, okay. I'm dreading doing this bit. Eyebrows, right, okay. So I'm just going in with my usual routine, which is this Micro Precise Brow Pencil from Essence. I'm just going to give them a quick brush through with the spoolie first. Nearly went in with the wrong hand. Right, here we go. Okay, let's going to give them a little brush through with my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. Right, they're not perfect by all means, but they're not the absolute worst either. Eyes. I think I'm going to play this fairly simple, so I'm just going in with the Naked Heat palette. I'm going to start off doing my lid. I'm going to go in with Cayenne, which is this shade here. I'm going to use this brush, this hand. Right, I'm going to do this side first because it's the hardest. But what about what I want? What about what I want? Okay, and then I'm just going to use the other side to blend that out a bit. Right, okay, and then I'm going into my crease. I'm going to use this brush in, I'm going to go in with Low Blow, this one here. Alright, and then on the centre, I'm going to use my finger in, yeah, Scorched, this one. Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh, but instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never lovely. Loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I love someone like I love. Right, I'm going to go underneath with Low Blow. I should change my mind. And I'm just gonna blend. I think back to you, I feel the same. Right, so I'm gonna do that on the other side. I'm gonna do it on camera because obviously otherwise I could cheat, but I'm just gonna really speed it up. It's not awful, is it? Mind you, that palette is really easy to blend. It is a little bit of a cheat, but I like it. Right. So next I'm going to get, oh, now this is, well, might be a trip to the hospital by the end of this. I might gouge my eye out, but I'm going to go in with this Wonderlash mascara from Primark. Jesus Christ, what am I doing? Right, here we are. not going to say anything.
I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling.
That's helpful. Right.
I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. But I have to wait a little, and that's okay with me.
Right. Oh, bugger. A cotton bud is needed. Yay! Right. Look at that, like magic. Makeup essential. Watch your nose. Right, lipstick. Gonna line them with this Primark toffee liner. Bit overlined, but wasn't the intention. Right, then I'm going in with Primark again, Velvet Touch. Oh, that will do. Right, bit of setting spray. There we go. How did I do? I wouldn't say it's awful, but certainly not brilliant. But yeah, I quite like the colours actually on my eyes. I haven't used that palette in ages. I forgot how easy it was to blend and how nice the colours were. Eyebrows are a bit dodge, but you know, I definitely put too much. I've got lipstick on my teeth. That's lovely. Yeah, definitely put too much products on my face because yeah, I've got all sorts of creasing going on. But yeah, wasn't as difficult as I thought it was going to be. So if I break my right arm, I should be okay. But yeah. Well, I don't really know what else to say about it, to be honest. But yeah, there's my face. So yeah, let me know what you thought in the comments below. How well do you think I did? How well do you think I didn't? Yeah, and don't forget to check out the other girls' videos as well. I'll link those below, as I said before. And I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, obviously please give me a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot, and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. I usually upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 PM. Today was a bonus. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.